everyone, welcome back to my channel. You already know it's Angel, and I am bringing you guys another video. I just want to tell everyone Happy New Year, and I am so blessed to have made it to another year. The Lord is so good. And today I'm going to be doing a individual lash DIY. So I'm going to be using the I.N.V eyelashes. They are in the length long. Some of them have different sizes, like small, medium, large, but those are just long. I'm using my 30-second glue and also my tweezers. And aren't these tweezers like so cute? I forgot where I got these from. I may have got them from the hair store, but they're so cute. So I'm going to be doing some natural individual lashes. And so I just usually put my glue on the top of the little plastic container, and that's where I dip the end of the eyelash before I apply it. As you can see here, I'll just pull a lash off, and then I'll just dip the end of it in the glue, and I'll blow on it a little bit so the glue can get a little tacky. And then I will go ahead and apply it. I usually start at the ends of my eye. I usually start there. And you just want to place it up under your eyelash. And there you go, just like that. And I'll use the end kind of to place it, or if I need to push it up a little bit more, I'll kind of use the end of my tweezers. And if you see me looking over there, I'm just kind of checking in my mirror. And so there you go. You just put it on there, place it like that, and just try to take your time. There's no rush. I know that it can get a little irritating if you have contacts in. I wear contacts, so sometimes my eyes will get watery. But other than that, if you take your time, and then, you know, with starting off, you may mess up. I've messed up a lot of times. So it just, practice makes perfect. All right, and so I'm going to go ahead and place another one after I dip it in this glue. I'm going to show you guys how I place another piece. I kind of spread them out a little bit when I'm placing them on, because I like to go back in and fill in some more lashes in the middle of the spaces. So I kind of just put it underneath my eyelash. You know, I have a little gap, and then just place it, and there you go. All right, and so I put about 6 lashes on the other side, and I'm about to go ahead and start on my right side. I'm putting some more glue on the little plastic plate. You want to watch that too, because the glue can dry pretty fast, and so once it gets a little too dry, you don't want to continue using that same glue, because then they won't stick. So once your glue dries up some, go ahead and just put a little bit more on the plate and then keep going. And so now I'm going to start on the other side. I already put one lash on the right side, and like I said, my glue started drying. So I'm going to go ahead and apply about 6 lashes onto my right side. And then after that is when I'll kind of go and start filling in the spaces. But I'm going to let you guys see me put on a few on the opposite side, which can be a little bit more challenging because trying to reach over and apply them is it's a lot sometimes. But like I said, with practice, it gets easier. And hopefully you guys can see me placing the lashes on. I tried my best to make sure I was in the camera. So if a few times you didn't see it, I apologize about that. But hopefully for the most part, you can see me applying them so you can kind of get a visual of what to do if you wanted to try to do your own. I'm gonna go ahead and dip that one and blow it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and apply that right under my eyelash. And I'm gonna finish that side. Okay, and so basically here, I'm just going in and putting lashes in the spaces or the gaps that I left from before. And so I ended up with about 10 to 11 lashes on each side. But this is just pretty much sped up because I'm just kind of filling in the gaps. And then I will show you guys the finished result. All right, and so this is the finished result. I wanted a natural look, so this is a really nice natural look for me. If you wanted them to be a little bit more bold, you can always add more lashes. You can add as many as you think you need. It depends on you, because as you can see, I had some left. But I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And love you guys. See you next time.